Right everyone, so we've got our Hyundai here in Clacton and it's sunny, so lovely. Got a bit of damage here on this Hyundai wheel, so we're going to get it prepped up, get it done, get it back in the motor. One thing I've noticed on this wheel while I'm keying it is, obviously I showed you before, you know, diamond cut area is going to be faded now, but this area here in particular, that spoke, this spoke, it's been painted. Smart repair job, someone's bodged it over, so yeah, we're the boys, let's sort it out. Little clean. Winding me up, mate, you're winding me up. This is the probing process, so we're going to do it in 3 separate parts. So we've got our start point, which is obviously the beginning of the wheel. Start point. Now we're going to get our end point. Bosh. Safe distance. Lovely. So we're bouncing across the top of the wheel, obviously to get our profile, and then when we come in to cut it, it's going to cut it perfectly to that profile and take off less than 0.5 millimetre across the whole wheel. You can see how the spokes angle, so it kicks up slightly in the middle. We've got our start point, smooth out the line, save the profile, lush. Greggs do a decent coffee, right? But their ash browns, oh my god, they are like sand. Final cut done before we stick some lacquer on. Look at that. That, my friend, is perfection. Got all that old crappy paint off from the old smart repairer. It's looking spanking. Up, ready for a bit of lacquer. Making the old valve Johnny, yeah, slimming on. I'll leave that for 2 minutes. Nice to me, give you one of my special little locking walnut bags. That's our Hyundai all done, so give us a call 0333 207 9971 later.